Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you how to connect your HP printer to Wi-Fi quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, turn on your printer and have your Wi-Fi name and password ready. Go to the wireless or network settings on your printer. Use the touchscreen or buttons to find the Wi-Fi setup wizard. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and wait for the connection to complete. And that's it! Your HP printer is now connected to Wi-Fi. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching!
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informational videos and don't forget to like, comment, and share.